Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to leave a review on Doordash, guys. Actually, really easy and simple if you want to leave a review. So, I'm going to explain you just how you do this. So, after you place an order from a restaurant on Doordash, guys, you can actually rate the menu items. You can either put a thumbs down or thumbs up, right, from your most recent order, and then you're going to be prompted to submit an items rating along with the optional star rating and public review for the store. So next time you open your DoorDash app, after let's say your order has been delivered or picked up, this is what you're gonna see, guys. You're gonna see tap to review right here. So right now I'm on the home page, and then you're gonna see tap to review Connie K. So you just review here. You just press the amount of stars you want to give. It's literally that easy and simple. You can also leave a item rating review on your most recent order if you haven't submitted yet any form of feedback on. So you can just visit the store page, guys, as well. Go visit your store page, and then you come here and you can review the store. And you can see whether you want to recommend this item or not. And then just click on submit review. It's literally that easy. Simple, guys. So if the video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if it worked out for you. If